Do you want to know how you can log in to your DHFL Pramerica Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basic. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your DHFL Pramerica Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar, search for DHFL Pramerica Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It is the official page of PGIM Indian Mutual Fund. DHFL Pramerica has been turned into this, and now you can log in to your account by writing down your user ID and your password. So go ahead and write down your user ID in this box, write down your password in the second one, and then click login. This way you can log in to your DHFL Pramerica Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.